back to the channel. So today's video is a skincare tip for all of you guys, not just for women, but also men, boys, girls of any age. Um, Today I'll talk about clove oil, लौंग tel, जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं. Clove oil or lonka tel is easily available in the market outside. It's not something very special that you have to go out and buy at a mall or order it online. You can just get it at a local store. Um, a Lonka tail is supposedly said to have a lot of antibacterial properties. It's really good for your skin. It's really good for the mouth. It's good for anti-aging skin, sagging skin, dull skin. It's good for fine lines and wrinkles. Um, and I've also heard a lot of people say, अगर आपको toothache है, you apply lonka tail on the tooth in the mouth, and that will help calm down the pain. So just a super short video. I want to jump down here and tell you guys, lonka tail is good if you have bumps on the face, if you've got a lot of painful pimples, if you've got acne, which you may guys call them, and after the pimples are gone, you have blemishes on the skin that are left, that they turn into like a brown to a darker, like a black, not a black, but like a darker color acne. You're left with the blemishes after the pimples are gone. Clove oil helps with that also. So this is something that you would apply towards the end of the day, or most likely at night before you go to sleep. That'll help you. It'll and then you sleep on it. You apply it on your face. You don't need so much, just a couple of drops. Apply it onto the skin. If you have it on the entire face, that maybe 2 or 3 drops would just be sufficient. Um, and if you have fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, around the lips, around the mouth, on the forehead, go ahead and apply 1 or 2 drops of it on your skin. Uh, what else? And other thing I want to mention here is be very careful to those, especially for those people who have sensitive skin, because clove oil has a very strong aroma. So you guys may not like it. It may irritate you. Some people may not like the smell of it because it's very, very strong. And bonus tip here I want to give you is, clove oil also is known as an aromatherapy oil. So if you go down to spas and whatnot, they also use clove oil. So for those of you who have a hard time falling asleep at night, or are very stressed out, or just have anxiety issues, you can put a few drops of it on a clean cloth and put it next to you on your pillow, or you can even put a couple of drops on your pillow where you sleep. And the smell of it is going to help you calm down. It's going to make you fall asleep. It's going to help you relieve the stress. So that is it. That is it for the tip for today. So go ahead and give it a try on to yourself. If you see anybody else out there who needs help or with their skin, with the stress and whatnot, and have a hard time sleeping at night, go ahead and help them out. That'll make you very happy by helping out somebody else. And that is it from me from today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.